Cleaning semi-automatic pistol magazines. I got two mags here. This is a Glock 17 mag, this is a CZ75 magazine. Glock 17 mag is mainly polymer, CZ75 mag is steel. Okay, Glock mags are a pain in the ass to strip down. It needs to be done, but they're a pain in the ass. With the Glock mag, you've got little detents on the side of the mag. So in addition to you pressing in little detent on the floor plate, you've got to press in on the side of the magazine, and it's a bitch. Best and easiest way to do it, a little hand vise, or put the magazine in the vise, press in, and then slide off the floor plate. Be careful if you're using a vise not to damage the magazine. Don't over tighten it because you can damage the mag. CZ mags, mine I clean once every couple of months because they're a pain in the ass. Okay, I'll show you how to strip the CZ75 mag, which is a lot more user friendly. In the bottom of most magazines you got a little detent. What you need to do is get something, press that in, pen will work, anything. Press it in, take off the floor plate, make sure your thumb's over there to catch the spring because it will fly. Take out the spring, take out the follower, and that's your magazine stripped down. Okay, what you want to do with the mag, if you get a cloth patch, lightly oil it, and just go over the inside of the mag. Inside of the mag, you're going to get a buildup of carbon, little bits of brass, etc. So give that a going over. With the magazine spring, get a cloth patch and just go over it, and make sure the spring, everything's light, got a light covering of oil over it. People are worried about getting oil on the rounds. I've never had problems. To be honest with you, I put a little bit of oil on my rounds, especially if they're in a steel magazine. I don't want them corroding, etc. My carry ammunition I change around at least once every 6 months, so I'm not using rounds that's been in the weapon for how many years, like some people. The follower, you get a buildup of carbon on here. Take it off, wipe it off, just get everything off. Yeah, the mag to reassemble. Simple. Make sure she's all the way in. Put on the floor plate, and there it is, good to go. That's how to strip and assemble a magazine, and it's the same for most weapons. Magazines are very important parts of the weapon. They're part of a weapon. When you clean the gun, make sure you clean the magazine. Make sure it's serviceable. As I said, I've seen people, their guns are clean, but they're having issues with their weapons, stoppages, etc. due to their magazines being full of gunk and filthy. No excuse. Make sure the mag's nice and clean. Any questions? Send me an email, give me a shout, etc., etc.